Hey guys, this is Rupesh from Beebom.com and it is time to talk about the Pixel 4. This video has been sponsored by Wix.com, which lets you create some stunning websites. Yes, it's still July and there's 3 to 4 months to go before the Pixel 4 officially arrives, but with all the leaks, the rumors and whatnot, I think it's time to talk about Google's next flagship smartphone. So like last year, we pretty much know everything there is to know about the Pixel 4. And while I like some of the things that the Pixel 4 might bring, I don't have a very positive feeling about it. Well, I'll tell you why, but before that, let's talk about what I like about the Pixel 4. So there's obviously the cameras. I mean, it's hard to beat the cameras on the Pixel 3, and the Pixel 4 will bring a huge upgrade on the camera front. Just look at the back of the Pixel 4. This is an official teaser, or should I say an official leak from Google. So this is confirmed. And well, it shows not one, not two, but 3 cameras. Yes, with the Pixel 4, Google is moving from a single camera to triple cameras. That must be a huge upgrade, right? And well, I'm all in. I mean, along with the primary camera, the secondary camera is said to be a 16 megapixel telephoto lens, while the third one up there is said to be a 3D time-of-flight sensor. Now, the rumored telephoto lens on the Pixel 4 is said to be bringing improved super res zoom, and knowing Google, it should be pretty awesome. But if it'll be better than the P30 Pro's 50x zoom, well, I'm not sure about that, but yeah, it should be pretty good. The time-of-flight sensor, on the other hand, should improve portrait mode photos, but obviously Google plans to make the most of it. According to reports, the Pixel 4's time-of-flight sensor will result in some cool AR features and 3D mapping. How about the ability to scan anything around you, create a 3D model of it, and then use it as an AR model anywhere in the world? Well, that would be cool, right? Now, the rear camera should be amazing, but the front camera should be sweet too. Like the Pixel 3 XL, there will be dual cameras here, but along with them, there will be other sensors for a face mapping technology similar to Face ID on iPhones. What's more, the rumors say that the Pixel 4's front cameras and sensors will support Project Soli, which requires an aware sensor, and it'll let users do hand gestures for media controls, activate Google Assistant. Yeah, I'm just hoping it's better than LG G8's Hand ID. I mean, that thing... Anyway, the Pixels had great camera performance even with a single camera. So think about what they can do with triple cameras. Yeah, the camera performance on the next Pixel phone should be insane. And it's not a surprise. The Pixel 1, the best camera phone. The Pixel 2, the best camera phone. The Pixel 3, the best camera phone. The Pixel 4 will be the best camera phone. The Pixel 5 should be the best camera phone. So yeah, the highlight here is best camera phone. So yes, the highlights here are, like always, the best camera phone. But what about the other factors in a smartphone? Well, that's where my doubts lie. First off, the design. See, it's clear that the team at Google isn't really great at designing its phones. I mean, let's go into flashback. The first Pixel arrived when phones looked like these. Yeah, it was a pretty generic, outdated design. The Pixel 2 arrived when phones with notches and minimal bezels were taking over. The Pixel 3 arrived last year with that huge, hideous notch that just looked really bad. And now this, the Pixel 4 is coming, and I'm not sure I like what I see. Just look at it next to today's flagships out there. I mean, that bezel on the top, it's like Google thought you guys hated the notch on the Pixel 3 XL, so we'll remove the notch but give you a full bezel. I mean, I remember an older leak of the Pixel 4 which showed it to have an S10-like punch hole display, and while everybody thought it was too good to be true, I was secretly hoping it was. But if the new leaks are to be true, which they probably are, we'll get another flagship phone that just looks generic and outdated. And it's not just the looks. Thanks to those big bezels, the Pixel 4 will be a bigger phone than the competition with a smaller display than the competition. According to the leaks, the Pixel 4 XL will have these dimensions with a 6.25-inch display. Now compared to that, the S10 Plus is smaller on all dimensions and has a bigger display. So yeah, it all boils down to this, the bezels. Now, it's not just the design. Another thing I'm worried about in the Pixel 4 is the performance. Now, I know there's a perception that the Pixel phones have the Google stock Android experience, and thus the experience here is amazing, lag-free, blah blah. But let me tell you, it's not. Look, there are a number of threads on the performance issues people have been facing on the Pixel 3 XL, and all of them are due to low RAM on the phone. The Pixel 3 XL came with 4 GB of RAM when the standard was 6 GB and 8 GB RAM. And as it turned out, it just wasn't enough. So will Google fix this with the Pixel 4? Well, I'm certainly hoping so. I mean, there have been reports that the Pixel 4 will come with 6 GB of RAM. So yeah, I'm happy about it, but I also want an 8 GB RAM variant. See, it's pretty simple. The Pixel phones haven't been a huge success because every single Pixel phone has had major flaws. The first Pixel had a bland design and no IP rating. The Pixel 2 XL was marred with the bad displays. The Pixel 3 XL just had this plain ugly design, and now the Pixel 4 seems to be doing it all over again with its generic design. I mean, I get it, the new motion gestures will be pretty cool, the camera like always will be the very best, but Google needs to understand that we don't want the best camera phone. We want the best smartphone. We want the complete package. We want a Pixel phone with the best cameras, obviously a bezel-less design with maybe a punch-hole display or pop-up cameras, more RAM variants and a bigger battery. Well, here's hoping Google isn't listening, maybe for the Pixel 5. Anyway, it's time to talk about Wix.com, our sponsors for this video. So Wix is for people who want to create some great websites. I mean, it does not matter if you're creating your first website or you're a professional website builder. Wix is for everyone. I tried out Wix to build my website and I did a fairly good job in just a few minutes. With Wix, you can create a business website, a website for your online store, photography, music, events, blogs, basically just about anything. Plus, you get so many templates and advanced tools like Wix Videos, Wix Pro Gallery, Wix Bookings, etc. So what are you waiting for? Check out Wix from the link in the description right now. Well, those are my thoughts on the Pixel 4, and as you must have noticed, I haven't really liked what I've seen of the Pixel 4 so far. But what about you? Tell us your thoughts in the comment section below. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you agree with us, and make sure to share it with your friends who are waiting for the next Google flagship. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, that's me signing off. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.